Everybody, take a command. Tap down. Good. Hello. Good. Go. Go. Kanan. Go. Take your pose. Everybody, Ika, go.
Happening.
Happily.
Happening onward. All in the valley of death, roll the 600.
Forward the Light Brigade! Charge for the guns!
He said, into the valley of death, roll the 600.
Forward the Light Brigade!
Was there a man dismayed? Not though the soldier knew.
Someone unthundered. There's not to make reply.
There's not a reason why. There's but to do and die.
Into the valley of death, roll the 600.
Cannon on the right of them.
Cannon to the left of them. Cannon in front of them.
Violent and thunder, the storm has been shot and shelled.
Boldly they rode it well into the jaws of death.
Into the mouth of hell, roll the 600. Flash all the haters there, flash as they turn in the air, saving the mother fair, charging an army wide, all the world wonder. Plunge in the battery smoke, right to the line they broke. Contact and Russian, real from the saber's stroke. Shattered and sundered, then they rode back, but not the 600. Cannon to the right of them, cannon to the left of them, cannon behind them. Volley and thunder, storm but shot and shell. While horse and hero fell, they had fought so well. Come through the jaws of death, back from mouth of hell. All that was left of them, left of 600.
When again their glory fade, oh the wild charge they made!